So the first thing we want to do is to set up SolidWorks for what we'll be doing in class. And as I mentioned, we have the simplified interfaces turned on by default. I'll show you how to turn that off. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a new part. So I'll click on create a new part, make sure part is selected, and click OK. Once we do this, we are going to go up to the SolidWorks in the upper left hand corner, select View, come down to over Workspace, and you'll see that Simplified Interface is checked. We're going to uncheck it. And once you do that, you should now see the tabs are Features, Sketch, and Evaluate. Those are the three tabs that we're going to want to always show up. We can turn off the other ones by right-clicking on any of these tabs, going to the tab button, and for instance, I'm going to turn off the markup, and I will also go in here and turn off the MBD dimensions. So those are the two main things that you're going to want to turn off or to modify. The other thing that we will do when we start up a new part is to check what units you want. Down here in the lower right hand corner, you'll see that inch pound second is selected. I could change it to millimeter gram second, and those are going to be the two main unit systems that we use. We'll be switching in between the inch pound second and the millimeter gram second as needed for particular parts. All right, so that's it for the setup. The one last thing you're going to want to do is click in here under add-ins, and this controls what's turned on automatically when you turn on SolidWorks. So under here you see startup. So I have all of mine turned off, and that's pretty much the way you're going to want this being set up. So you may, when you installed SolidWorks, you might have SolidWorks motion and routing. There might actually be CAM tools and all of that. So you go in here under startup, you can click those off so that you're not taking the time for loading all that up every time SolidWorks loads. All right, so that's all I have for the setting up of SolidWorks.